Hello, welcome to transaction analysis video for accounting. So for this video, we will learn on how to analyze business transactions or events. So let us now start. So when we say transaction, this is the business events, are a business economic events recorded by accountants. Transactions may be external or internal. Internal transactions involve economic events between the company and some outside the enterprise. So when we say internal transaction, these are the economic events that occur entirely within the company. Okay, companies on many activities that do not represent business transactions. Examples of hiring employees, it's because there is no amount na involved. So, nire-record lang ang isang business transactions or events if there is an amount involved. So, let us now start. Before we start to analyze business transactions, let us now first start to understand what is the basic accounting equation. So our basic accounting equation is asset is equals to liabilities plus owner's equity. Don't forget this, okay? Because this is the basic that you need to understand first before you learn those higher accounting. Okay, asset is debit, always debit. Liabilities and owner's equity is always credit. That is the normal balance of these two. Okay, liabilities and owner's equity is credit. Asset is always debit. Don't forget those things. No, the normal balances of each elements. Do not interchange. Kasi kapag na-interchange nyo, mali na agad kayo. Okay, so let us now start to analyze given transactions. Okay, January 1, 2021, Mariam Cruz decides to open a laundry business which she names Mar Laundry. She invested 100,000 pesos cash. So let us see the effect of this transaction to our accounting equation. As we mentioned that asset is always equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So for the given example, here you go. Ito na. Okay, what is the effect? Cash, of course, increased 200,000. As being mentioned in this transaction, okay, 100,000 daw yung in-invest ni Mariam Cruz. Okay, since the asset increases, okay, the owner's equity also increases. Ano yung title for the owner's equity na nag-increase? Of course, the capital. Because based on the transaction stated that investment of 100,000 cash. Okay, so this transaction results in an equal increase in an assets and owner's equity. The asset cash increases 200,000 pesos, as does the owner's equity, identified as Cruz capital. The effect of this transaction of the basic accounting equation is debit is equal to credit, so 100,000 is equal to 100,000. Claro? I hope clear na. So remember, when we say investment, when we say capital, it does not necessarily mean that only cash lang ang pwedeng i-invest or cash lang ang pwedeng maging capital. No. Okay? Kasi pwede namang maging capital, no? Pwedeng maging investment ang iyong land, ang iyong lot, ang iyong building, ang iyong personal equipments, ang iyong personal furnitures. So, we have just to realize or to analyze kung ano ba yung na-mention ng capital, no? Or ng investment ng owner sa transaction. So, meron tayong isa pang example. Okay? January 5, 2021, Mariam Cruz decides to use her new personal drying machine for her laundry business amounting to 15,000 pesos. Okay? So, asset again is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So, let us see what is the effect of this transaction to our accounting equation. Okay. So, here you go again. Machineries and equipment is 15,000 and Cruz capital is 15,000. So, as the debit increases, the credit also increases. Okay, that's all for the transaction for investment by the owner. I hope it helps and see you on my next video lecture. Thank you.